to Johannesburg. Samsung has an awesome event planned. Can't say much about it right now, but stay tuned and we'll touch base soon. Started my day at Cape Town International. Early morning energy, but the vibe already up. Bag check-in, camera rolling, we off. I'm headed to Johannesburg, the official launch of the new Samsung Galaxy A range. So mainly the A36 and 56, among a few others. You might have seen some promotional material. Boarded Flight Safi flight, quick and easy. Aerial views were always beautiful, as always, with a smooth landing in the city of gold. I walked through our tumble, grabbed my bag, met the driver, and just like that, we were cruising through Joburg's highways. We pulled up at the Radisson Red, the iconic red statue out front, always cool to see. The hotel has a warm, artistic vibe. We were welcome and invited for lunch at the O Bar. Let me tell you, the steak was next level. Medium rare, tender, and the crispy fries was amazing. They hit us with a bowl for pudding, sweet ending and perfect timing. Checked into the room, it was perfect. Big comfy bed, a couch for chilling, and a coffee set up right next to a writing desk. Above that, a standout portrait. But when I looked out the window, amazing views of Johannesburg CBD. Skyscrapers everywhere. The bathroom super modern, and just outside my room is the rooftop pool and bar. Breathtaking views. Honestly, a solid setup to unwind before the event. Then it was time for the main event. Samsung really went all out. The vibe was alive, DJ on deck, lighting on point, and of course the new Galaxy A devices on display. A26, A36 and A56. Got some hands-on time and I'll be having a deep dive review soon. The food at the event, honestly top tier. Samsung didn't just launch devices, they created an experience as always. To finish off, big shout out to Samsung for the invite and the hospitality. Stay tuned because the full A series breakdown is coming your way soon, and if you like this kind of content, give it a like and subscribe, and we'll chat soon. Goodbye.